Welcome to the personal property tour for number 11 Watson Place in Anstruther. This is a 2-bedroom upper maisonette. Great opportunity to add value. It's in a great location. You've got green views to the rear and sea views to the front. And let me just take you on the tour. So as you'll see, this is your green belt view from your entrance hallway, and I will just take you in on the tour. So you've got the entranceway here. So as soon as we come into number 11, you come into the lower hallway. Immediately you'll see that this is a great property for an opportunity to add value to. We've got 2 bedrooms upstairs, which is where we'll start. So quite a spacious upper hallway, as you can see. Then we'll go into bedroom number 1. So this is a lovely sized double room. Lovely and bright. You've got the 2 double windows there, so lots of natural light coming in. It's a great sized room. To show you from this angle. So plenty of space for bed, cupboards, storage, maybe workstation, home office desk. Again, you've got the views over the shared garden, across the countryside. Back out into the hallway. You have a storage cupboard here and a large storage cupboard straight ahead. And then we're going to the second bedroom. Again, a good sized double. Lots of space in here. And you've got the Velux window as well. If you see from this angle, you can see really spacious and roomy. Easily got a double bed, additional wardrobe, furniture, etc. Then we'll head on downstairs. So downstairs, you can see it's lovely and bright when you come into the main hall. Then we turn left, so you can see the length of the hallway. We'll go into the kitchen. So it's a galley style kitchen. Plenty of storage areas. Lovely views again. Over the green belt to the rear. We've got street parking as well, straight ahead. Plenty of space in here. And back out into the hallway. We take a left again into the bathroom. So it's a lovely spacious bathroom. You've got your wash hand basin, your bath and your WC. And then from here we go straight across into the lounge. This is a lovely sized room. So you can see it needs a bit of TLC, but a great opportunity to add value. Lovely big square room. You've got this huge walk-in cupboard in here as well. So great cloakroom, additional storage space. A lovely big square room. You have the sash and case windows and fabulous views. So you can see straight ahead to the Isle of May. It's a lovely space. So this is a personal property tour for number 11 Watson Place in Anstruther. It's a 2-bedroom upper maisonette. Lots of opportunity to add value here. So this is a great opportunity for a first time buyer, investor, and it's in a fabulous location. So literally 2-minute walk down the hill, you're at the Deal Tavern. A few more minutes, you're down to the harbour, you're at the bank, the Shellfish Shack, the waterfront chip shop, award-winning chip shop. Right by the harbour. You've got the tidal pool at Cellardyke as well. It's a fabulous location, lots going on in this area. You've also got the primary school and secondary education, so it's great for families as well. This one is on the market with ourselves at the moment, offers over £105,000. If it's of interest to you, you can feel free to message me here directly. Alternatively, you can call the team on 01334 654 221. And it's Perry at Fife Properties TV. Take care, bye bye.